Short-term projects during plant turnarounds are common. These temporary projects occur in parts of the facility that don't have adequate lighting because the location is out of reach, difficult to access, or lacks infrastructure. Such areas are also dangerous to work in, which is why you need to keep the temporary location properly illuminated. A reliable way to do this is to use Larson Electronics string lights. These products can be easily mounted on hooks, ladders, chains, small openings, and more. Our industrial string light series includes Class 1 Division 1 and Class 2 Division 1 explosion-proof string lights, Class 1 Division 2 and Class 2 Division 2 hazardous location string lights, vapor-proof string lights for rough and wet environments, work area string lights for standard job sites. Standard models are protected by a lighting cage for extra protection. You can choose from several light head configurations, voltages, cord types, and lamp types to cater to the needs of your plant turnaround projects. Check out the full selection at Larson Electronics. Please like, subscribe, and share. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.